Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
Today we're checking out the 2025 Coachmen RV Clipper 25 QBH, a lightweight bunkhouse trailer perfect for Texas family trips with easy towing and sleeping for up to 8 in a simple, no-slide layout. Outside, the simple, clean exterior shines bright. Inside, the front queen bed sits cozy and raised just right, with cabinet space above, plus dual wardrobes around it for clothes, towels, bedding, and roadside essentials. The kitchen kicks off strong, with overhead cabinets stacked around the oven and microwave up top for baking casseroles or quick reheats on busy camping days. Then a deep sink basin right next handles stacks of dishes, veggie prep. Across sits the U-shaped booth sitting space that works great for family meals, card games, or laptop planning. Fridge positioned right across keeps drinks ice cold and leftovers fresh for days out. Pantry next to it holds chips, sodas, spices, and dry goods neatly, so counters stay clear. Rear quad bunk beds stack high and sturdy for the kids or extra guests with good mattress padding. And the bathroom finishes strong with a full toilet, shower tub combo for rinsing sandy feet, sink vanity under a bright mirror, and cabinet storage for shampoo, TP, and towels.
Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.